Hi, I'm Mark Sullivan for Expert Village, and today we're going to show you how to cook your veggie kebabs over a natural open pit fire. Now we're ready to, I've got a little bit of lemon juice here, and I'm going to just put a little bit more lemon juice on these, just because I'm going to put the lemon just into the mushrooms only, though. And turning the mushrooms, I fill up the bell of the mushroom with the lemon juice. Now, one more thing that I would like to do to our veggie kebabs is I wanted to put another ingredient. A secret ingredient is molasses. Now, you just want to put a little bit of this on here. I can't find my brush, but so we're probably going to have to just drizzle the molasses onto our kebabs. So we're going to use this now. It just takes a little bit, but we're just going to go ahead and drizzle some molasses over our veggie kebabs. This will add a little bit of sweetness to them. I'm going to get some more here. So now we have prepared our veggie kebabs. We've marinated them with lime juice and then drizzled them with molasses. So these are your veggie kebabs.